Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have a kid's easel.
A kid's easel made by QDH. Awesome. Open that up, Annalisa. Let's check out this children's easel.
Okay.
Go ahead and put that together, Annalisa. Children's easel, 74 pieces. It's for drawing, writing, and it has some board games. I see chalk, markers, an eraser. There you go.
Okay.
So one side is that magnet for magnets.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pull the letters out and go ahead and spell something as a demonstration.
Okay.
Great way to teach your kids letters and the alphabet, and I think they got numbers in there. You can teach them a little bit of math.
Oh yeah.
It's the other side. That's for the chalk.
Maybe we put on the wrong thing.
There you go. That makes sense.
That is 0. Right.
Goat. Turn it this way. Now, if anyone watched the Super Bowl this past Sunday, we all know who the GOAT is.
You want me to use the chalk? I want to do the chalk.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and...
Wait, no, I'm going to do the markers.
Go ahead.
Because we're already on this side. Oh.
The markers on the same side as the GOAT. Do you know how to draw anything? A cat, a dog?
I can't draw.
Draw a house, draw sunshine. Keep it simple. Colorful and simple.
There's something behind this, I think.
Yeah, I guess we should have looked at the instructions first. Let's turn it this way. You got a beautiful house. How about some nice green grass? Okay. Remove the goat and put in a beautiful sunshine.
Oh, this. Wait, let me get up.
Turn it just a little more this way so we can see it. Beautiful. So your kids can draw whatever they want. Now this is great. You don't waste paper. You don't have them writing on your walls. And then when they're done drawing, you got an eraser there. Just erase it. And they can start all over again. Alright, Annalisa, why don't you turn that easel around? Let's see what's on the other side.
Wait, we can put this stuff in here.
Oh, great. So you get a nice storage place to keep all your letters and markers. And I see you got a couple of extra, oh, this is for the board game. All right. We'll get to that in a minute. So you get some nice colorful chalk.
I think you put it in here.
Oh, so you get a holder for the chalk too. Right? Is that what that is? And what's good about this blackboard, it's not like your typical blackboard in the old schoolroom that would give you the chills if you went like that. Go ahead and draw something on that board. The cute little flower. Anything else you can draw? Here, give me a different color and I'll draw something.
Okay. What color do you want? Can I erase this?
Go ahead, erase. Alright, so how do you draw a cat? I forget. Let's just start with a simple circle and cat eyes and cat nose. There we go. Nice and simple. Your kids will have a lot of fun with this. Okay, Annalisa, once you set up one of the board games, go ahead and collapse it. You have a game board here. And what's this one called?
Snakes and ladders.
Okay. Let me raise up my tripod. This one's called Snakes and Ladders?
Yeah.
Alright. I see where it says go up here. And what I think you do is you get a piece. Let's see.
I'll be blue.
You'll be blue. Okay, I'll be yellow.
Orange.
Okay, so we're there. Why don't you go ahead and roll the dice?
2.
So this is similar to Chutes and Ladders, but this is Snakes and Ladders. Alright, let me roll the dice, and I got a 4.
Where do you go?
Why don't you move my piece ahead?
Right there?
4. I think you go 4 spaces. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm not mistaken, yeah.
What does that mean? Boom.
Boom. Oh boy.
Boom.
That can't be good. It says boom?
I think so, yeah.
Oh man. Well, anyways, you got the idea. Real quickly, why don't you put in the other piece?
Okay.
This looks more like Parcheesi or something. I don't know. We'll have to read the directions how to play that. Yeah, so this game is called Ludo, and it's a modified version of Parcheesi. I remember Parcheesi. There are no resting squares. On each player's turn, the player rolls the dice to determine a move. The goal of the game is to move all 4 of the player's pieces. So there's 4 pieces for each player. Go ahead and put down 4 for you, 4 for me. I think you put them on the color that, like here, yellow on that, yeah. And then you roll the dice. We won't go through all the motions, but you get an idea. This is a great little easel for kids. Should give them a lot of educational time, a lot of learning skills, and yeah, we will put a link in the description below where you may purchase this QDH easel for children.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys.